I was ultimately going to be a pharmacist, and since I was in 4th grade till high school. When I went into that lab, I saw these machines working, and I just said, I want to do that. I'd say my largest success was our plant expansion. We had a plant layout, and it was framed out in a picture frame, and we Sharpied it up, and said, this is kind of what we think we need. And being able to take that, with our whole team here and make it an entire building with functioning machinery and overhead bridge cranes that make our jobs safer and much more efficient to do the work. Huge, huge learning for me, but also a huge accomplishment. I'd say the biggest drive is I see things that are tough, I see things that are a challenge, I see things that make our employees want to pull their hair out, and I want to go in and figure out a way to make them come in and say, this isn't so bad. I came from a working class family. Both my parents worked their tails off their whole life to try to make my brother and I's life better than what they had. When it's expected from people that you look up to and respect your whole life, then that just becomes second nature.